How's it going, everyone? This is the announcement video for chappy.php version 1.3.2. In this version, I have integrated all the features I've been working for to support React.js views into a composer package. So let's get started. So we're in the desktop. We can go into the browser. Nothing happens. So let's create a project. So composer, create project, chappy-php, chappy-php, my app. You will not believe how hard it is to talk while typing in your first run for making a video. It's like singing while playing a guitar, which is kind of interesting. So, alright, so let's open a folder. So we're in the desktop, my app. Get rid of Copilot. We don't like that. It takes up space. So normally, you can just do PHP console serve. You get your layout. All the styling and stuff like that is from the vendor directory provided by Composer. So this is a pure PHP app. So what we can do is we can go into app controllers, go into home, comment out this line, and then uncomment this line. So what is going on is, if you go into resources, views, home, index. So this is the previous setup. So if we go into JS, pages, home, index, this is the new page. So we are calling the render.js function. So if you refresh, nothing happens. So for the development environment, you have to run npm run dev. Refresh. Now you have a React-based front end. And you can do things like, let's say I want to add another prop, test, and then that's associated array, so test text. Go into index, user, test, and then test. Oh, wait. Curly brackets. That should work, but okay, whatever. There it is. Gotta refresh for some reason. Sometimes it's weird the first time you start up npm run dev. So that's all good. You can undo that. It's not going to break anything. There's other things you can do, like I have built-in support for forms, just like I have when I cloned this project from the Rua framework from Freeskills. So import forms. So that's an actual module that comes with the framework. Press tab. Now you can start adding your forms. So that's it for this quick demonstration of my update for chappy.php version 1.3.2. If you are a developer or recruiter and you want to chat, please hit me up. Link to my LinkedIn profile is on the profile page for this channel. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.